Tama? Kasi negative bx or positive bx, para sa naman. So, cancel na. So, therefore, matitira natin, ito na lang dalawa. So, x sine of b dx plus, equals to 0. X squared cosine of b db. Tapos, divide ko by sine b. X squared sine b. X squared sine b. Equals to 0 over x squared sine b. So, therefore, makakansin yung sine b, makakansin ng x squared. Eto, makakansin yung x, tapos isang x dito. So, therefore, ex over x plus cos b minus sin b, no? So, therefore, ano yan? Cotangent. Tama. So, cotangent of b eb equals to 0. So, by integration, pwede na tayo mag-integrate counter. Therefore, integration ito is ln of x plus, anong integration ng cotangent? Integration ng cotangent?
1 over tan.
ln
LM. 1 over tan.
ln sine or cosecant ng cosecant. So, negative, pero negative yun, tama? Tama, negative.
Wala ka ba lang? First off.
Negative na. So, negative ln of cosecant of b. Is equals to c. So, therefore, by simplification, ln of x is equals to, positive times negative, magiging negative. ln of cosecant of b is equals to c. So, therefore, ln of x, yung b natin, pwede natin palitan na b is equals to y over x. So, therefore, cosecant of y over x is equals to c.